Hey everyone, it's Sophonie. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you subscribe. Today I'm getting ready to get a shirt, so if you wanted to see how I achieved this hair and my makeup, please keep on watching. Hey girl, I just took my hair out from the two pulls from the wash and go, and if you see any flakes, just know that it's from the gel, okay? So I struggled separating my hair in 6 sections earlier and I couldn't get it right, so we're gonna try and do 4 sections instead. I think y'all familiar with this gel. It's Eco Styler gel if you didn't know. So I'm creating 4 ponytails with rubber bands. Before adding the gel, make sure you spray your hair with water to make the hair easy to lay down. Just watch what I'm doing. This is the hair I'm going to use. It's a Kanekalon hair. It's 80 inches long. My hair color is in number 2 sometimes. So this hair is in number 2. I bought it from Amazon because I didn't feel like going to the store. And I ended up going anyways because I needed hair jewelry. So yeah, that was kind of dumb, girl. So I cut the hair in half, separating it in 3, and pull the ends so the braid can fit my head. Before you start braiding, try on the hair around your head to see if it's gonna fit. So now we are getting ready to start braiding. You should have something looking like this. Do not braid the hair tight so you can be able to pull and shape it like mine. I am going for a messy big braid, so we're gonna be pulling a lot of hair, girl. I am placing the hair where I want it to sit, and I am using 15 to 20 bobby pin to secure it down. Okay y'all, so I organized my bathroom and took stuff I don't use often out. My rollers are in one of this bag, and I didn't want to go look for rollers at this time because I am already late. I haven't put on makeup yet. I'm rushing to leave, girl. I gotta figure something out quickly, so I found a pencil to make these curls. So I twisted the hair around the pencil and dipped it in hot water. Then now I'm gonna crochet them on. You can find these hair accessories at any beauty supply store. So I am done with my hair. Let's do our makeup. I'm filling my brows with my Wet n Wild pencil in color deep brown, and I'm gonna clean around the brows with my Maybelline concealer in number 40. When you clean your brows, Use a flat brush. Make sure you get real close and leave no space in between with the concealer. Okay, for example, think like you're making a sandwich and your brows is the meat inside the bread. So you can have a clean shape and sharp brows. This is how close you should get. Excuse my moving a lot. I am standing in my bathroom doing my makeup and I am going in and out picking up the products, okay? I am going in with my Pearl Mineral Concealer in color Warm Honey. After cleaning them up, blend the concealer in. So after blending the concealer and color corrected my eyelids, now I am taking this Huda eyeshadow palette and go in with this color called Cocoa. So when I'm going to church, I always have a simple neutral look. Like I don't be using bright colors or glitters. I usually use a one eyeshadow shade or two, like nude beige, light brown, blush color, or no eyeshadow. As you can see, I'm applying the color all over my eyelids. See how I'm tapping it on? Now I am smoothly brushing the edges out because I'm not going to use another shade to blend the edge. I am brushing it in sweeping motion against the brow bones so we can have a soft finish and you won't be able to see where the eyeshadow started. Now I'm going to go in with this shimmer brown called Bless. I didn't even read names. I was just picking random colors. I know I'm blessed, honey. Now I'm taking this shimmer pink to brighten up my inner corner. Girl, like I said, we're going to keep the look nice and simple because we're going to church, honey. Now I am drawing a small thin wing with my Paladio liquid eyeliner and go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. I have worn these eyelashes once and I didn't go nowhere with it, so why not wearing it again? It feels kind of weird wearing these small eyelashes. Which one do y'all prefer? The long ones I usually wear or this? Let me know in the comment. I'm gonna use my Revlon ColorStay foundation in color Caramel. When blending your foundation, make sure you blend this corner right here between your eyes and brows. This play a big part of the look. I have seen people don't give this much attention and forget about it. Remember, when someone is looking at you or talking to you, this is where they look. You don't want to be looking like, oh yes, this is where my foundation started. Oh no, I didn't have enough to reach these corners. So take your time to blend and make the foundation look seamless. Don't forget about your neck. I'm going to highlight with my Maybelline concealer. I don't think I'm going to use this to highlight anymore. This concealer dries so freaking fast. Ugh. Thank God my beauty blender is always wet. I'll just use it for brows only. Now I'm gonna set where I highlighted with my Juvia Space Setting Powder called Kalahari. I know y'all might be tired of seeing me using this powder. This is my favorite product at the moment. let this sit on my face, I'm gonna contour with my contour powder, then brush the excess white powder off. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Pressed Powder number 330 and dust it all over my face. For blush, I am using Mellow Cosmetic Blush. I'm lining my lips with my brow pencil and use this pink lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. I am using the same L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on my bottom lashes. I know y'all see the differences, right? You can barely see my bottom lashes, and this is just one layer of mascara. I'm shook. To finish up, I am spraying my face with my black radiance setting spray. For glow, I am highlighting with my Fenty Beauty highlighter in Trophy Wife. And that's it, you guys. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys love and enjoy this video. If you do, leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, or anywhere you want to share this video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.